Looking for a powerful laptop for gaming, studying, graphic design, or smooth office work? The 16-inch gaming laptop is the perfect choice for you. Powerful specs at an affordable price. Powered by Intel N95 processor, 4 cores, 4 threads, up to 3.4 GHz. Delivers great performance for multitasking, data processing, study, office tasks, and even light gaming. Equipped with NVIDIA MX350 dedicated graphics card. Enhances graphic processing, allowing smooth gameplay for titles like LOL, Dota 2, CS:GO, FIFA Online, and Genshin Impact with optimized settings. Great for Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere, and other creative work. 16GB DDR4 RAM, fast and efficient. Handles multiple applications at once, opens dozens of Chrome tabs without lag. Large 1TB SSD storage. Store tons of videos, documents, photos, and software. Enjoy ultra-fast boot up and file access speeds. 16-inch Full HD Plus display, 1920 by 1200, with anti-glare panel. Wide viewing area, crisp visuals, and eye protection for extended work or study sessions. Modern connectivity. Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.0, fast, stable wireless connections. Backlit keyboard, easy typing even in low-light conditions. With all essential ports, USB, HDMI, audio jack, and more, perfect for learning, work, or entertainment. Who is it for? Students in IT, design, programming. Office workers needing a reliable and powerful laptop. Casual gamers wanting entertainment after school or work. Content creators, YouTubers, light video editors, and streamers. Today's special offer. Free wireless mouse plus premium laptop backpack. 12-month official warranty. Nationwide shipping, check the item before payment. 0% interest installment plan available. 16-inch gaming laptop, solid performance, student-friendly price, study, game, and create without limits. Reference link below description. Thank you.